Good morning, Gage and Braylon and Makai. How are you today? I am on Tuesday, but I'm videoing for Wednesday. It's a rainy day. It's good for the garden and the plants, but it makes me want to curl up on the couch with a blanket and take a nap. But we got to be determined and we got to get our schoolwork done, and we just have a little bit today. So we're looking at missing numbers. So to me, the best way to find missing numbers is to do our part whole models. So if you look at the first one, what goes at the top of the triangle? The biggest number. Where is the biggest number in a subtraction problem? At the front. Look at this problem. It's missing the front number. So we have the two bottom numbers. We have a 3 and we have a 5. Now what do you do to those two numbers? You put them together to get the top number. What is 3 plus 5? What is 8 minus 5? 3. What is 8 minus 3? 5. And we figured it out. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Let's look at the next one. It has the first number and it is a subtraction problem, so we know that's the biggest number, so we can put this at the top. And we know one of the parts is 0. So what is 6 minus 0? 6. Will that work? If we say 6 minus 6 is 0, does that work? Yes, it does. All right, so we have used 8, so I'm going to mark out an 8, and we've used a 6. So I know we've used those two, so I'm going to mark them out. All right, so that's how you do that page. Let's place value. So remember, when we're looking at place value, somewhere I drew it for us. I'll just draw it on here. What does a big plate equal? And in your little blocks, they are red. What does the big plate equal? 100. What does a stick of 10 equal? Oops, I said it. A stick is a 10. It has 10 cubes snapped together. And what is a cube worth? A cube is worth 1. That's how you count it up. And I know that y'all remember that. So just count those up, write the number down, and mark out the number once you've used it. Okay, and then the back page is a review of dimes. How do we count dimes? What is 1 dime worth? 1 dime is worth 10 cents, so they're pretty easy. You just count them by tens. So like on this one, you're going to write down the first number I see is a 60. So I'm going to put 60 cents with a C because that stands for cents. We're not up to $1 yet. And then I'm going to find the one that means 60. So I got to find 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right beside it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This one you're probably going to need to cut out. I mean, I know you're going to need to cut it out and glue it over here. Okay, so you don't have to cut out the number ones. You can just write them down. But the dime ones you need to cut out and match them, okay? And that is all you have for math today. It's just a quick little review. All right, I will see you. We're going to have geography today and science and Zoom for our book. And if you can't Zoom, I'll do a recording. All right, I'll see you in a minute.